Athena Lawton, designer and stylist, and today we are going to make a sun crown. We all know that Halloween is coming. I always put it off until the last minute, but if you want to start putting your Halloween costume together, this is going to be the perfect basis for a sun costume. You can wear it with a really elaborate outfit, or you could just wear it with like a gold mesh top or something like that. So what you're going to need today is some cardboard. You're going to need some polyfill stuffing to make the clouds. You're going to need 8-inch zip ties, a wide cloth covered headband, some spray paint. I used gold, yellow, and orange, and hot glue and a glue gun. That should be it. So grab your materials and let's get started. So start by stripping the top layer of paper off of your cardboard to reveal the corrugation underneath. I use the pointed end of a styling comb to do this. Right now I am using some leftover cardboard from a bolt, but it'll be better if you use shipping cardboard because it's a little thinner. So then what you are going to do is cut out various shapes of triangles with the corrugation going in different directions so that you can create a variety of texture. These are the shapes that I make. And if you want, you can actually buy my paper pattern for $1 in the link below. But you will be fine making any kinds of spires as long as you make a sort of symmetrical set, like I said, with the corrugation going in different directions. It'll be really fun to get kind of experimental with this. You could also make something that's totally asymmetrical, and I think that would be gorgeous as well. But I made these shapes, and then I made them symmetrically going out from the center, and made the shapes get a little bit smaller towards the edges to create a rounded halo effect. So once you've glued all of your cardboard pieces down, we're going to work on making the back layer of the rays of sunshine, which, as always, we do with zip ties. So I used 8-inch zip ties here, and I zipped them onto a larger zip tie to create the foundation, and then zipped it off at the end and trimmed it. Once that was done, I put a generous amount of glue on the back of my cardboard crown, and then pushed that down and held it while it dried. For added security, I placed a ribbon on the back of those zip ties on the glue line, because sometimes things that are made of plastic like to pop out of hot glue, and this will prevent that problem and make it a little more secure. Gorgeous. Now it is time to paint. So I took that polyfill that I mentioned earlier. You can use any kind of fluffy stuffing, and I blasted it with a little bit of yellow and orange to create a sunset effect, and then I sprayed my crown with gold. Once those were dry, I slid the cloud pieces onto those zip tie sun rays, having some of them go in front and behind, and that was the final step. Now you have a gorgeous sun crown. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, if you had fun, if you made a crown with me, or if you just think it's entertaining and maybe soothing to watch me do zip ties and glue, please like and subscribe. If you want to see some more tutorials by me in 60 seconds or less, go and head on over to my TikTok at Athena Lawton, where I have like 10 more crowns that don't exist on YouTube and probably never will because I will not reshoot a video. If you want to help yourself out a little bit with making this crown, I am selling the pattern for the cardboard piece of this crown for only $1 in the link below in the description. The reason I'm doing this is because I make these videos for free because I sincerely hope that people will learn something and feel inspired to make their wardrobe a little bit more dramatic, and also for costumes for stage, drag, burlesque, all of those things, of course. But I make these videos for free in my free time. So if you want to support that mission, go ahead and pay $1 for this pattern and also make your life a little bit easier. Thanks again!